4 persons.
Sino po yun?
Jaime. And because I promised to bury Marcos during the campaign period, in the debates, I was asked point blank, lima kami, sino? Ako lang, si Bina, yung tatlo, no. That was my campaign promise. Sabi ko, itong drugs, masama to. Patayan tayo dito. It's going to be a bloody. In my speech, I said, come and join me because it will be a rocky road ahead. What does that tell you? Maybe it's an idiom or... Pero to a plain Filipino, alam mo yung rocky road. Mano sa kampanya nagsinabi ko, patayan ito because alam ko ang problema.
Sir, balikan ko po yung sinabi niyong meron kayong 3 o 4 na may utang na loob, sabi niyo po. Okay, you mentioned 1, Governor Jaime. Sino pa po yung 2 or 3?
Abet. And of course, si Governor Subiri. And yung nag-open talaga. Yung iba, maraming, pero yung, tapos yung, nakalimutan ko yung isa.
Sige, sir. Mamaya balikan po natin.
Governor siya, but I forgot the province na kung...
Baka po maalala ni Bong.
The province starts with, the name of the province starts with A.
Okay.
And,
sabi po ni Ina.
ano?
Well, maybe balikan po natin. I just wanted to ask